E-bikes are one of the dominant factors that have caused this design, and they're not super fancy e-bikes, but they are e-bikes. And the basic parameters on each one of them, they estimate that they are about 38 inches high. When I measured that one, I measured about 36. So that's kind of nice because that lets us actually lower the bed down a couple of inches farther than we had thought. But you need to have 36 inches to get that in there. Front to back, they're around 28 inches, and then they are around 21 to 22 inches wide. But you can see though that we're able to get both of them into a relatively small area. And as we look at it from this side, you can see that it basically comes up to the center of the wheel well, and that is that's pretty much just exactly where it is, and so that works out nicely. But when you look at this, 36 inches pretty much gets you all the way across. I'm not holding it level, but and it's not wanting to focus the way that it should. As far as distance in, it kind of just depends on where you choose right there. But from the outside of that pillar, we're about 40, 41, 42 inches. So that's pretty close to the 20 inches wide that they said it was going to be. And the plan will be that we're going to have a bed platform that will just clear this, that will go across through here, and it will pretty much come forward to right here. And this area up here will be where one person sleeps. And so then that of course will go all the way across. And this will be one person's sleeping area. Then the second person's sleeping area, this right here will be the back edge of the refrigerator. The second person's sleeping area is going to start right about here, and it's actually going to go over and it's going to overlap this refrigerator line by probably 8 inches or so. And so it's actually going to be somewhere right in here, give or take a little bit, is where the second person's sleeping area will be. And basically that's assuming that the second person is just a hair over 5 feet, and the back bed will have room for someone that's about 6 feet. But that's just the first rough fitting of the bikes, and we will put some sort of electrical outlet in this area so that we can charge the bikes from and do other things in the garage. But along with the bikes that will be going in the garage, we also have a blow-up kayak, and it comes in a bag that's it will fit somewhere in this portion of the garage area. But also, if you remember from the earlier video, we're going to have a freshwater tank that's going to fit over this wheel well, and that's actually going to come out to about right here. So the garage is essentially filled up. By the time we put the kayak in there and throw some toolboxes and things like that, we do not have much garage space. Now, we are going to have just a little bit of space in this area that we'll be able to utilize. Maybe we I don't know, maybe we put a wall, a diagonal wall that goes along here, and then we have storage from the front. I'm not sure exactly how we'll do that, if we do anything with it at all. We might not. We might just let that be empty, but I know that space is important. So this gives me an idea though of how we need to arrange the other things. You can see I've got the toilet temporarily set up there in its spot, and that is kind of where it's going to go. But obviously a lot more building to be done.